Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 300% gain in GAHC in 35 days. Let's have a look at the chart of GAHC. This is another great win in a blockchain company. During this period, blockchain companies will continue to grow as cryptocurrencies continue to surge to new highs. This is especially true as the masses are not in yet. The trade was exited on 19 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 0.015 and exit price of 0.061. The careful selection of the blockchain companies is crucial in this trade. A nice 300% gain for this trade in 35 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 14 November with exit on 19 December. Entry price is 0.015 with exit price of 0.061. This trade has achieved a 300% gain in 35 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.